Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing this new mystery beauty box from Target. So I was at Target today and I was browsing the beauty section like I do every single time I go to Target. Seriously, can't help it. But I saw this new beauty box and it is the Pampered Nails box. This retails for $14.99 and I tried to scan it on my phone and my Target app to see if I could pull up like the online listing for it and I couldn't, so I believe this is a brand new box and will be released everywhere soon, hopefully. But yeah, I absolutely love nails. I got my nails done last week for my sister's birthday. This cute like coffin nails with a neon tip moment. And I have a ton of nail polishes. Love to paint my nails. Love having pretty nails. So this was right up my alley. And yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting here opening up all the products and talking through them. So if you want to see what is inside this Pampered Nails mystery box from Target, keep on watching. So on the back of the box, it actually lists what the products are. So let me count. There are actually 10 products. At $14.99, it comes to about $1.50 each per product, which is not bad. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open this. I don't have actual scissors here, so we'll just take these cuticle scissors and cut the seal. And let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so when you open it, it says Manny Moment at the top, and I can hear the products moving around in here already. Makes me kind of nervous. Okay, so I'm holding it like this, trying not to dump out the products, but it does come with like a little holder for each of the products to sit in. So yeah, let's just get right into unboxing these products. Oh my gosh. I'm trying my best to like figure out where to put this, but I think I'm gonna put this on the ground. Okay, so the first thing I see, I think, is like this little nail care kit. It comes with a little buffer as well as a nail clipper. I don't know if you can see it or the light's like reflecting, and then a little emery board so you can like file your nails down. Really small, compact, and definitely good for on the go. And then there's also this coupon. I'm gonna cover the barcode because this is my coupon, but this is a spend 15 get $5 off, including cosmetics, skincare, hair care, and personal care. To redeem the coupon, you'll want to scan it in-app before 5/31/2022, so you have about over a year to use it. And now getting to more products, so I see this hand cream from Beloved. This is the Cherry Blossom and Tea Rose hand lotion, and this is by Love Beauty and Planet, and I believe this is a newer release because I've just seen this start to pop up in Targets, but my hands have been super dry lately, so I'm very excited to have another hand cream. And let me see if I can open this and check it out. Kind of hard to open the seal with nails. Okay, so now that I have this open, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. We're gonna test it out and see what it feels like and smells like. So just rubbing this in. That smells so good. It's like the perfect blend of rose and cherry blossom. I can definitely smell both in it, and the rose is so divine. Rose is one of my favorite floral scents. So I'm really excited to use this. Probably going to either keep this on my desk for when I'm working or in my purse when I'm on the go. And then I also see these ready to wear gel nails. So these are by Kiss and they are in the short length, and it's just this pretty like rosy mauve color, and it comes with 28 nails, so you can kind of pick and choose what fits your nail bed best. It says you can get a 7-day wear with these ones. I've never tried press-on nails, so I am very excited to try this. These nails are actually the first ones I've ever gotten done at a nail salon. And then there's also this nail polish. So this is just the Up and Up brand strengthening nail polish remover for natural nails. I've used a few bottles of these and it's worked pretty well. So yeah, you definitely can't go wrong with having another bottle of nail polish remover. Ooh, and then I see some nail polishes. So this is the Sinful Colors Bold Color Essenchills in lavender, I believe. Yes, it is low-key lavender, and this is like a lavender with like a purplish blue reflex. I actually have, I think, the Himalayan salt one of this where it's like a light nudie pink, and I'm glad I didn't buy this one because here it is in the box. and the other one works pretty well. Like it applies very evenly, dries very fast, so I am very excited to give this a try. And this whole like Essenchills line is actually scented, and this one smells like lavender, so once you apply it, you'll have like that lavender scent on your nails for hopefully a few days. And then, ooh, I'm super excited about this one. This is an Essie nail polish. This is the Expressie in Crave the Chaos, and this alone is like an $8 or $9 polish, so it's like over half the value of the box, and it just comes in this beautiful kind of Barbie pink color. I don't have any color like this, so I am so excited to use this, like especially with summer coming up. It's going to be the perfect like bright pop of color either on your fingernails or your toes. And then there's also this Dr. Scholl's Ultra Hydrating Foot Mask, and this is a new product. I didn't know that Dr. Scholl made foot masks, so I am very interested in trying this out. And this is one where you have like little booties that you wear for 30 minutes, and then you can kind of massage the serum in. So yeah, I don't know how much this one retails for, but this will be interesting to try. And it says it's free of parabens and phthalates. Then there's a few more items. So I also see this Japonesque Essential 4-way nail buffer, and this is twisted for extra comfort, which is kind of interesting. So you can even out, smooth, buff, and shine your nails with this tool, which will be good for just, you know, smoothing the edges of your nail, filing down, and just getting them prepped for your manicure. And then the last two items I have in this box are samples. So the first is this Olly Undeniable Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummy Vitamins. I believe this comes with 2, and this is in the flavor Grapefruit Glam. And it says it have biotin, keratin, vitamins C and E. This won't be the first time I've tried Olly, because I think I've tried like their stress gummies and their melatonin, and I really enjoyed them. And then there are also some cotton round samples. So these are just the Up and Up brands. Premium cotton rounds comes with 2, and I bet this is for the nail polish remover. So you can use this and the nail polish remover to remove your nail polish. Alright, so that is it for my unboxing of the new Target Pampered Nails Mystery Beauty Box. I hope you enjoyed it. Overall, I really enjoyed the box, and I thought it was a great value. I am especially excited for the 2 nail polishes, both the Essie Expressie and the Sinful colors Essenchills, because I have no nail polish colors like them right now, and I think they'll be perfect for summer. And yeah, let me know what you think of the box in the comments below, and whether or not you'll be picking it up. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina, and I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.